in this video I have another Shop Miss A haul to share with y'all, okay? But yeah, I have another haul from Shop Miss A. Well, Miss A, the company's called Miss A. This is a smaller package. Like I said in my other Shop Miss A haul, I did have another package coming. Only got a few things, so this video is probably gonna be super short. But yeah, this time we have this pretty purple packaging. Last time was that really nice pink. I really like that one. But anyways, let's open this up. I only got 6 things to share with you guys. Yeah, 6 things this time. This was a time where shipping was only $1. And I forgot to mention in my other video, I feel like there's people looking at me. I forgot to mention in my other video, there is free shopping. There is free shipping. There is free shipping with Shop Miss A online, but you have to spend $35 to get that free shipping deal or whatever. But let me share with you guys what I got this time. The first thing I'm gonna pull out is, ooh, I didn't know it was this big. Oh, you guys, I got a comb, a rake handle comb. Looks just like this. This is super big. I didn't know it was gonna be this big. This is great. Okay, because I have natural curly hair, so this is perfect for my type of hair. You guys, oh my gosh. Yes. Detangling my hair is going to be so much more easy. What is this brand? Kala brand? I don't know. But yeah, that's awesome. Okay, the next thing I'm going to share with you guys. Oh, this is pretty. This headband. I got this headband. I kind of want to take it out. Let me see. I want to take it out. Oh yeah, this is nice. And it has like these 2 little pearls on the side. I didn't really like that, but since it's there, I'm not gonna like take them off. Yeah, it has like these pearls, these 2 pearls on the side right here. Yes, this looks so nice. I like little prints like this. Like, it's kind of like tropical like. Yes, it looks so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to wear this. Yes, that's really nice. Let me show you guys what else I got. Okay, so I got this little this pom-pom thing because I was going to put this on my my lip gloss bag. So I probably will switch it out and put this one on there because this one is really pretty. I really like this color pink. But I didn't know it was going to be this big either. Yes, it's so big. So yeah, I'm going to put that on my bag, which is actually in my living room. So yeah, I got this. And the last 2 things I got were these 2 lip glosses. Oh, these are big. The Beauty Treats Crystal Lip Glaze. Let's see. I really hope these have more flavor than the other ones. It doesn't really have the flavor on here. Oh, why does the outside smell so good though? Let me see. I kind of want to smell the inside now. But yeah, that smells good. Okay, I kind of want to just smell these. It smells like cherry. Yeah, I think this one is cherry. That smells like cherry. And this is what they look like, by the way. I think they just go on as like clear. Yeah, it says crystal lip glaze, so I'm guessing it just goes on clear. It smells like my childhood. But it smells really good. Like, I guess it's supposed to be grape. Yeah, this one is grape. Let me open this one. Y'all, I really like lip glosses, you guys. So now every video, every Shop Miss A video I do is probably gonna be, it's probably gonna have lip glosses in there. Okay, let me see what it smells like. That smells so good. This one smells just like a grape popsicle. I kind of want to wear this one. Let me see if it comes on clear. Yeah, it's just clear. These are kind of thick, but they smell so good. Now, when it's on my lips, it smells like grape, like jelly candies. Oh, this is so good. That's so good. You guys, I can't wait to do a review on that. But yeah, you guys, that is all. That's all of the things that I got with this haul. It sounds like somebody is banging on the door. But that's all that I got with this haul. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.